Hey everyone! Welcome to our One Word for You Today series. Every day, we'll break down a new Turkish word, explain all its meanings, and give you easy examples to help you learn quickly. Today's word is Efendim. We'll dive into how its meaning changes depending on the context and even the tone of voice used. Got any words that confuse you or make you curious? Drop them in the comments. We'll cover all the words you ask for. Ready? Let's get started. Efendim is often used as a polite form of address, similar to sir or madam in English. It conveys respect and formality, especially when speaking to someone of higher status, elders, or in formal situations. In Turkey, it's commonly used by waiters, shopkeepers, or service providers when addressing customers respectfully. For example,
Buyurun efendim. Buyurun efendim.
this phrase literally translates to, here you go, sir or madam, or here you are, sir or madam. It is used when offering something to someone or when providing a service. However, in a broader context, such as when initiating contact with a customer, it can also mean, how can I help you, sir or madam? This meaning comes from the word
Buyurun.
which indicates that you're ready to serve or assist the person. When combined with
Efendim.
it adds a layer of respect, making the phrase polite and formal. Let's look at another example.
Nasılsınız efendim?
This phrase translates to, how are you, sir or madam? It's a common polite expression used to ask about someone's well-being in a respectful and formal tone.
Nasılsınız? Nasılsınız?
Is the formal or plural version of how are you.
Nasılsın?
Is the informal version used when speaking to a friend, peer, or someone familiar. In Turkey, efendim is commonly used as a polite way of answering the phone. It's equivalent to saying hello in English, but carries a more formal and respectful tone. It indicates that the person is ready to listen to the caller. While
Alo? Alo?
is also widely used, efendim adds a level of politeness, often used in more formal or professional settings. In conversation, efendim can be used as a polite way to acknowledge the speaker or to indicate that you are listening. It's similar to saying yes or pardon when you want someone to clarify or repeat what they said. This usage shows attentiveness and respect toward the speaker. For example, if someone calls your name or says something unclear, you might respond with
Efendim? Efendim?
to indicate that you're paying attention. For instance,
Anlamadım. Efendim? Tekrar eder misiniz? Anlamadım. Efendim? Tekrar eder misiniz?
means I didn't catch that. Pardon, could you repeat it? Now let's break down the key parts of this phrase.
Anlamadım. Anlamadım. Anlamadım.
Means I did not understand. This comes from the verb
Anlamak.
meaning to understand. The
Madım.
suffix means I did not.
Tekrar. Tekrar.
This word means again or repeat.
Eder misiniz? Eder misiniz?
This phrase is a polite request form of the verb
Etmek. Etmek.
to do.
Eder. Eder.
Is the third-person singular form of the verb, often used in polite requests.
Misiniz? Misiniz?
Is a polite question suffix which adds respectfulness to the request. The
Siniz? Siniz?
ending is used when speaking to someone formally or addressing multiple people, and
Mi? Mi?
makes it a question. Historically, the term efendim from effendi was used as a title of nobility in the Ottoman Empire, signifying lord or master. It was a term of respect or courtesy, similar to the English sir. It often followed a person's name and was commonly used for educated men, members of the learned professions, and government officials, such as bey or pasha. For example, the title
Hekim efendi,
referred to the chief physician of the sultan. The term originated from the Greek word "offends," meaning master or lord, and was adopted into Turkish as a formal title for those in high positions. It was also used by servants to address their masters with the possessive form Efendim, meaning my master. Although it is no longer used in the same official capacity in modern Turkish, the word still carries tones of formality and respect in everyday use. In conclusion, Efendim is a versatile word in Turkish, used in various contexts to show politeness, address someone respectfully, or even as a way of saying "excuse me" or "pardon" when asking for repetition in conversation. Whether it's answering the phone or acknowledging someone, this word adds a layer of formality and attentiveness to any interaction. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if there's any word you'd like to learn more about, feel free to leave it in the comments below.